Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Janjinya Babe, hari ini hari Jumat. Biasa kita ke markas lagi. Kita di Telaga Jeruk Purut lagi. Hari ini main 200.000 dari jam 2 sampai jam 5. Kita udah ketiga ini ke Jumat berikutnya. Jumat kemarin kita alhamdulillah masih ngeborong amplop nih, juara 1 sama juara 3. Mudah-mudahan hasilnya Jumat ini bagus. Kita masih pakai media umpan yang sama, umpan babe sama esen durian. Terus sama settingannya tetap sama. Pokoknya ikutin terus gimana keseruan hari ini. Mudah-mudahan kita ada hasilnya lagi hari ini. Oke, hari ini kita bareng sama Onggo. Onggo nanti dipisah dulu dia sama Mas Wibi sama Randy.
Kita keluar dulu guys.
Oke, pokoknya ikutin terus keseruannya. Mudah-mudahan ada hasilnya. Amin. Pame-ame belalang kupu-kupu, tepok biar rame umpan babe mau diadu. Mantap.
Oke.
Fokus banget, Jos.
Guys, nemu juga akhirnya mojok. Aduh.
Kita lihat timbangannya, guys. bosku mancing itu.
Oh iya.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Gede-gede tuh kan.
Yang kecil lah muat apaan bos?
Ya elegan 13. Tiga pakai diakalin ya.
Yang kecil muat apaan bos?
Kalau emang pengen bersamanya ambil neng, nggak apa-apa neng. Abang. Nih, 7 abang sih.
Bos.
Gondol terus.
Makan ora? Makan. Madam. Tuh. Wah, mantap.
Guys, nemu juga akhirnya mojok. Aduh.
Kita lihat timbangannya, guys. Wah, dia jatuh.
Oke guys, alhamdulillah mancing hari ini udah selesai. Tadi lapak 1 kita dapat 16 ekor. Supernya 1 tapi belum rezeki, belum sekolah, tapi lumayan masih dapat induk sama ikan ramenya lumayan. Nah tadi ikannya tuh udah sempat naik sendiri, kayak digantung sedikit. Akhirnya ganti lagi settingan karena kebagi 2, ada yang di atas ada di bawah. Dan maksimalnya sampai jam 5 tuh cuman 16 ekor, lawannya 22 ekor. Tapi alhamdulillah masih gentakin. Ini lapak pojok lagi tapi memang belum rezekinya. Oke, terima kasih yang udah nonton. Ikutin terus channel Putra Putih Fishing. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Yang mau pesen umpan babe bisa langsung ke link deskripsi. Salam hangat dari saya Putra Putih Fishing. Have fun fishing.